Good morning to all. Today discuss about the IPC, Instrumentation Process Control. Unit number 5, the control system. Okay. Unit number 5, the control system. ये આપણે start કરીએ. એમાં first જોઈશું આપણે introduction part અને the block diagram. Okay. The first will be the point is the introduction part is there. In the previous chapter, यानी कि second order system આપણે જોઈ ગયા. The dynamic behavior of several basic system was examined. With this background, we can extend the discussion to a complete control system and introduce to the fundamental concept and of feedback. Okay, and any order to the control for the introduce. Okay, in order to work with a familiar system, the treatment will be the based on the illustrative example. Some example જોઈએ આપણે એના basis પર. Okay, chapter 1 માં આપણે લાપ્લાસ ટ્રાન્સફર જોઈ ગયા હતા for a stir tank હેઠળ. ઓકે, હવે ફિગર 9.1 માં આપણે જોઈશું કે એક અપારટસ આપ્યો છે to orient the reader. The physical description of the control system will be received. Okay, this is a figure. Control system for a stir tank heater. Okay, એ આપણે જોવાનું છે. Then if standard block diagram symbols, the negative and positive feedback, then also servo problem versus regulator problem. ये જોઈશું આપણે. Okay, the figure 9.1 sketch of apparatus part to orientate the reader. The physical description of this control system will be reviewed. Liquid stream temperature Ti enters in insulated. Will starting a constant flow rate. यानी कि constant flow rate આપણે માટે W છે. The mass per time. It is desired to maintain or control the temperature in the tank and Tr by means of the controller system. Okay, temperature enters in the insulated well the stir tank. A constant flow rate W यानी कि mass per time, and it is the maintain to or control the temperature is Tr by means controller. If the measured tank temperature Tm, okay, measure temperature M. Okay, Tm differs from the desired temperature Tr. The controller system, the difference or error E is equal to Tr minus Tm. Okay, desired temperature and is a which one? Measured temperature. Okay, and the difference error E is equal to Tr minus Tm, and change the heat input in such a way as to reduce to the magnitude of E. If the controller change heat input to the tank by amount of the proportional to the E, we have the proportionally constant control. હવે આપણે ફિગર 9.1 માં જોવાના છે. This one figure જે control system for a stir tank માટે આપી છે. The component of a control system એ બેસિસ જોઈશું આપણે. જો simply main part is the figure control system for a stir tank. Okay, there is a measure temperature. Okay, inlet temperature, which one? For this is the mixing part. Process આપી છે આપણને temperature measuring element આપેલો છે. WNT electric power of steam, final control of the steam, recorder controller, how to record. Okay, this is a part for a introduction for a block diagram. Simply control system for a stir tank. The control process આપી છે ને એ બાબતે છે. Okay, in figure 9.1, in the indicated source of heat input Q may be the electricity of or steam. If an electrical source were used, the final control element might be a variable transformer that is used to adjust current to resistance heating elements. If steam were used, the final control element would be a control valve that any adjustment of the flow of steams in either cases. The output signal from the controller should be adjust Q in such a way as a maintain control of the temperature in this tank. Okay, okay, controller system for in this tank. Okay, this is the recorder controller, final control elements, electricity of the power of steam. This is the temperature measuring elements. Okay. હવે જોઈશું આપણે components of a control system. આ પાર્ટ છે આપણે ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન જોયું છે. ધેન આફ્ટર બ્લોક ડાયાગ્રામ અને સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ બ્લોક ડાયાગ્રામ સિમ્બોલ જોઈશું આપણે નેગેટિવ અને પોઝિટિવ ફીડબેક સાથે. component of a control system. The system in a figure 9.1 જે આપણે જોઈ ગયા છે may be divided into the following components. Which one? The first is the process. સ્ટેટિંગ હીટરમાં જોયું આપણે. First one is the process setting. Second one measure element यानी कि thermometer, measuring element thermometer માટે. Then after the third one is a controller and the fourth one is there final control elements, variable transformer or control valve. Okay. Then each of these component can be readily identified as a separate physical item in the process. Okay, each of the component can be readily identified as a separate physical item in the process. In general, these four components will constitute most of the control system that we shall consider in this text. However, the reader should be realized that a more complex control system exists in which more components are used. Okay, એના કરતાં આપણે વધારે component use કરીશું. Then the more example, there are some process which require the cascade control. Okay, in this system, cascade control system, in which two controller and two measuring element are used. Okay, this is a simple introduction part for a control system. The control system. Okay, unit number 5 છે. એમાં આપણે simply control system for a setting જોયું હીટર માટે. And the components of a control system. Component કયા કયા છે તો 4 component છે. The first છે process setting હીટર માટે જોયું. And the measuring element controller માટે. And the final control elements જે variable transformer or control valve માટે છે. Okay, then after important block diagram જોઈએ આપણે. This one. The conceptual purpose, it is the convenient to represent the control system of the figure 9.1 જે આપણે જોઈ ગયા સ્ટેટિંગમાં. And the block diagram shown in figure 9.2 જોયું આપણે જોઈશું. This one. 9.2 block diagram for a simple control system માટે. Okay, 3 માર્કમાં શોર્ટ નોટ પૂછાય છે. Such a diagram makes it much easier to visualize the relationship among the various signal, the new terms which appear in a 9.2. Okay, in the 9.2 figure, such a diagram makes it much easier to visualize the relationship among the various signals for a new term which appear in a figure 9.2 are a set point and a load. The set point is a synonym for the desired value of the control variable. The load refers to a change in the any variables that may be cause the control variable of these processes. Okay, to change in this example, to inlet temperature Ti is a load of variable. Other possible loads for this system are change in the flow rate and heat loss from the tank. Okay, these load are the not shown in a flow diagram. Okay, the control system shown in a figure 9.2 is called a closed loop. Okay, which one point? Simply set the point and load in the new terms for a Ti. Which one is the closed loop, the computer and a set point? આ ત્રણ વસ્તુ માટે જોવાની છે આપણે. Okay, system or a feedback system because the measured value of the control variable is written or feedback to a device called the comparator. In the computer, the control variable is compared with the desired value of our set point. If there is any differences for the between the measured variable, this one measured variable and the set point an error is generated, this error enters a controller, which in the turn adjusts the final control elements in order to the return the control variable to the set point. Okay, this is just simply discussion part for a block diagram. Okay, this is the main block diagram in a figure. જોઈશું આપણે ફર્સ્ટ કંટ્રોલર મિકેનિઝમ આપેલું છે. comparator, this is a set point part. controller, final control elements, process આપેલું છે જે ટેમ્પરેચર માટે છે. T control variable, measuring element and measuring variable. For us this is some error part. Okay, this is the block diagram of a simple control system જે આપણે discussion part માં already જોયું. Which one? The 9.2 is a closed loop system for a feedback system because the measured value control variable in a returned feedback to the device called the comparator. In the comparator, the control variable is compared with the desired value of or set point. If there is any differences between any measured variable and the set point and the error is generated, this error enters a controller which is turn adjust the final control elements in order to the return of the control variable to the set point. Okay, then after this is a main flow block diagram. Okay, simply controller mechanism આપેલું છે. સ્ટાર્ટિંગ નો પાર્ટમાં સેટ પોઈન્ટ છે, કંટ્રોલર છે. then after final control elements and some processes. Okay, control variable માંથી bypass થઈને ક્યાં છે measuring elements for measure variable. Okay, negative અને positive end માટે. Okay, E error. Okay, they are the set point. Clear? This is the set point, controller, final control elements, then there some processes. Okay, the control variable measuring elements for in a control system. Then after that જોઈશું આપણે negative feedback versus positive feedback. Okay, negative feedback versus positive feedback જોઈએ આપણે. Discussion part છે આખો overall. Okay, the negative and positive feedback for this system, control system. The some terms have been used that maybe need further clarification. And the feedback principle which is illustrated by figure in 9.2 માં આપણે જોઈએ જે block diagram છે આયરવા. Okay, and the involves the use of the controller variable temperature T to maintain itself at a desired value TR. Okay, desired temperature કીધું છે ને આપણે એ TR desired value TR. The arrangement of the apparatus in a figure 9.2 describe the negative feedback to constant with another arrangement called a positive feedback. Okay, જે figure 9.2 માં controller તમે variable જોવો છો T to maintain itself, this one T is a maintain itself, and the desired value TR, the arrangement of the apparatus in a figure 9.2 is often described as negative feedback to constant contrast with another arrangement called positive feedback. The negative feedback ensure that the difference is between the TR and the TM. TR minus TM આપણે જે equations જોઈ ગયા હતા this ઉપરના ટર્મમાં which were TM minus TR is were error આવે છે ને સમ એના બેસિસ પર. Okay, in the some error part for a negative feedback, and this positive feedback is the term for adjustment TM and TR, differences between is used to the adjust control element so that the tendency is to reduce the error. For example, assume that the system is steady state conditions, T is equal to TM is equal to TR. T is equal to Tm is equal to Tr. If the load Ts should increase, the T is equal to Tm would start to increase, which would be cause is a error in this part. Okay, decrease the flow rate in the main terms for starting to end. T negative feedback Tm difference કયો આવે છે Tm અને Tr નો આવે છે this term T measure temperature some error part for a temperature માટે. Okay, and the signal of the comparator which you obtained for T and Tr with the positive feedback. System inherently unstable to the see that the true. Again assume that the system is at steady state conditions. The T is equal to Tm and Tr બંને માટે છે. એરર ફિગરમાં આપણે જોઈએ હતા 9.2 માટે. Okay, this is a Ti. Any situations and the would cause the T in a runaway control would not be achieved for this reason, and the positive feedback would be never to be used intentionally for a system 9.2 ફિગરમાં જોઈએ છે આપણે. Okay, this is the negative versus positive feedback in a control system. Okay, so thank you so much. Next lecture આપણે જોઈશું સર્વો પ્રોબ્લેમ વર્સિસ રેગ્યુલેટર પ્રોબ્લેમ.